In this video, we are going to do a deep clean of the AeroPress Manual Grinder, which we recommend doing every 2 to 3 months, or whenever you feel your grinder needs a deep clean. To do so, we recommend disassembling your grinder. Start by removing the catch. Then, while holding the arm in place, rotate the adjustment dial counterclockwise until the dial comes loose from the grinder. Then, slowly remove the interior parts of the grinder. Once all the parts are out, remove the arm, shaft, washer, and hopper lid from the top of the grinder. Ensure that you keep all the parts together so that nothing gets lost. Gently brush each part of the manual grinder. Now that the grinder is clean, it's time to reassemble. Start by sliding the large washer onto the shaft of the grinder, with the ridge side of the washer facing down towards the threads at the bottom of the shaft. With the washer on the shaft, slide the shaft through the top of the grinder. Next, slide the smaller ridged washer onto the shaft from the bottom of the grinder, this time with the ridge side facing up away from the bottom of the shaft. Follow this with the spring and the final non-ridged washer. Then, slide together the burr and locking plate and place them into the grinder. Holding these parts in place and ensuring the handle is on the grinder to hold the shaft in place, press the locking plate in place to reveal the threads at the bottom of the shaft. While holding the handle in place, screw on the adjustment dial by rotating it clockwise until you reach position 0 and cannot tighten the dial any further. Reset your grinder to the desired grind size by holding the handle in place and rotating counterclockwise until you achieve the desired setting, and then you're done and ready to grind.